Hi guys, how's everybody doing? I am going to do a quick meal today and I'm going to be using this Spanish rice and I'll just follow the instructions on the back of the pack. And as you see, it has a best used by date, February 2022. So I will be using that, and here I have 2 cups, a little more than 2 cups of water that I'm going to pour in the pot and bring it to a boil before I put the rice in. And I have 2 cans of farmhouse cut green beans, and I've washed my cans thoroughly to be sure they're cleaned before I open them. I will be fixing that, and I'm going to do some pepper sausage. I'm going to wash this and cut it. But first off, well, I'll do that, and then I'll kind of um, fry the meat, not really fry, but get it done. And I will, in another skillet, I will put half of this bell pepper. I will slice it. I will slice up some onions, slice up some red onion, and then I will slice some of these peppers. And this will be my sausage pepper. My peppered sausage, I'm sorry. But I'll bring you back and show you what's going on as we progress in the kitchen. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing in the kitchen. I added a little bit of olive oil to the pan, not a lot, and I have my sausages in here. I had said that I would put them in 2 separate skillets, but I don't think so. I'm just going to add my peppers, and as you can see, I have my peppers all sliced up, and onions, green peppers, and I have some sweet red and orange peppers because this is going to be pepper sausage. And I'm going to add and put the top on and cover it over. I will add a little pepper. I'm going to add some garlic powder and some of this. And I'm going to add a little bit of Slap Your Mama. I think I have some of that in the cabinet. If I don't have that, I have something up here with a little kick. If it's no more than cayenne pepper and maybe a little paprika. If I don't have any more Slap Your Mama, just a little bit of kick for flavor. Not for it to be so spicy, but I will come back and show you the end result. I just want you to take a look at the peppered sausage. I still have it steaming a little. Didn't put any water in it, just a little bit of olive oil. Generally, I mix my olive oil with avocado oil. So this is what I have here, and I'm going to put the top on and let it simmer some more. And then once I plate it, I'll pause right here and then bring you back. Okay guys, here is the plate, and that is the rice on the plate. Here it is, guys. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Okay, this is the Spanish rice, the peppered sausage, and green beans. And here it is, y'all. I will talk to you guys later. This is Patti. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Give the thumbs up, and I will talk to you on the next video.